This is the Silicone popcorn micro popper. So it actually comes with a cute box. And this is how it looks like. Okay, you can actually, just open it like this. Yeah, just open it like that and then put the popcorn inside and then close it. And then put it in the microwave. Now let's try it. Since this is my first time to use this, I wash this with dishwashing liquid and soap and then just dry it with a towel. And then there's an instruction, in the box, so just follow it. So it says here that I need to put a 5 tablespoonful of these corn kernels, and then I just need to put it here. So here's the 5 tablespoons of the corn kernel. So all I need to do is just put it inside this, the micro popper, and then make sure all the triangles are folded. Okay, like this. So all the triangles are folded. Now it's time for me to put this in the microwave oven for about 2 minutes. So I'll put this in the microwave oven. Okay, put it now. Close it, then set it for 2 minutes. Okay, this is the last 9 seconds, so you can hear it popping. Now it's done. The 2 minutes is done. Okay, here's the popcorn now. Make sure you need to wait for about like 10 seconds before you take it out of the microwave, because it's kind of hot and some of the corns are still popping. And then make sure that you use this. Don't hold it with your hand because it's too hot. Now it's done, so all you need to do is open it, and then there you go. This is the popcorn. Okay, this is the 5 tablespoons of popcorn, and as you can see, it actually pops perfect. The color, it's not burned, and seems, all of the corn kernels actually popped. So, and then now you can put your favorite flavor if you put butter, but me, I want to put some, kettle corn seasoning. That's my favorite.